Ahoy, this is Zdenka. A few days ago, I have introduced Wondershare Filmora on this channel where I was explaining how to edit videos for beginners with this very easy software. Well, Wondershare is also a sponsor of today's video because they have one more product, which is extremely helpful in speeding up workflow, easing up on your storage and resizing your content to different social media. This is the tool to use, plus many more features. It is called Wondershare UniConverter 13. In this video, I'm going to explain all the features and also how to use them. For the new faces, welcome. My name is Zdenka Darula. This channel is all about photography and video, tech reviews, creative camera challenges, hidden giveaways, and vlogs. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Once you open up Wondershare UniConverter 13, you will be greeted by the home page. On the right, you will see sections containing some of the main features. First section is value-added features. Second section is favorites, where you can add the features you use the most. And the last section is highly recommended features. Some features are free, other features need to be purchased separately. At the right top corner, you have your account, access to online support, and section where you can change all preferences. At the bottom left corner is the guide, information center, and link to their YouTube channel. I'm going to go through the navigation panel on the left. First one is converter. Why would you want to use a converter? Let's say you just rendered a video in 4K, you were waiting for a long time, it's finally finished, and you want to send it to your clients or you want to upload it somewhere on the web. Unfortunately, the video is way too big or it can be in the wrong format. Or you might have a little bit slower computer and because it is in the wrong codec, it makes things even worse. Instead of rendering the whole video again and waiting again, you can import the video here. On the right, hit choose format, which will give you access to many different video formats on the left. On the right, you choose the file size, audio formats, device, and web. Just choose where you want the video to upload and size. Before I hit convert, there are also other things you can do directly in this section. You can add subtitles, you can add audio files, change metadata, and change video and audio settings. Under the video preview, you have even more options. You can trim the video, you can crop it. Let's say I'm going to post it as a reel, so I will select 9:16 and drag it where I want the frame to be. I can do also some basic color grading. Add filters, add watermark, subtitles, adjust audio, and change speed. Once you have all desired changes made, just hit convert. As it is high-speed conversion, it's going to be very fast. Let's move on to Downloader, which is self-explanatory. You can download videos from 10,000 video and audio sites. Just insert the link, select high-speed download, and you get your video super fast. When you're finished downloading, this section will enable you to convert the video to the size and format you need. Another section is Video Compressor. This section lets you quickly compress your video, import the clips, hit settings. The program will suggest what range of compression you should go with. You will see right away the final file size on the top as you are moving the slider. What is really nice is that before you compress the video, you can hit preview to see how it is going to look if the quality still remains high. You can also change bitrate, format, and resolution prior to compress. Let's go to Video Editor. I already showed this section under the converter. Here you can go directly into trimming, cropping, basic color grading, audio, and speed editing. Merger is just another name for trim. It is going to take you directly into trimming your video. Here's how you select where you want to trim it. Use scissors and simply trim. Next is Screen Recorder. This is something I need to use all the time. This tool makes it very easy. Just select the area of the screen or whole screen, select frame rate, quality, and format. Select if you want to see the mouse and hear the mouse click during recording, and you are good to go. You can also record from webcam. You will get the same control when it comes to the frame rate, quality, and format. Lastly, you can record audio here as well. DVD burner is the obvious. It lets you burn DVDs. Player lets you play audio and video files. Toolbox is the last section where you can find access to features I already mentioned before, plus some extra ones. Auto reframe is included here. Smart trimmer is new. This feature is actually quite helpful. Whenever you are recording yourself or recording some sort of a video and you have these long segments between which are silent. For example, when I'm recording myself in a studio, sometimes I make mistake or I just need to read the script. So here and there I get very quiet. Well, here with a simple click, you can remove these long silent sequences. You can also find a specific person's clips in the video. Intro and outro helps you to batch remove or add beginning or ending to your videos. The watermark editor lets you add or remove watermarks. Subtitle editor is here as well. Add subtitles or purchase an auto subtitle generator. AI portrait. If you have a clip of a person on a very simple background, this will remove the person from the background. Then you can replace the background with a different color or an actual scene. If you have photos in these formats, with a simple click, you can remove the background in the background remover. Highly recommended section in Toolbox has features such as image converter. This will convert your photos to other formats you need. GIF maker is also included. You can create them from photos or videos. Fix media metadata will autofix and edit metadata of media files. Transfer will help you to transfer your files to devices or hard drives. A CD burner and CD converter is here as well. And lastly, a VR converter will help you convert your videos to VR. Many great tools under one roof. For those interested, link to the software and other information can be found below the video in the video description. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to future videos if you found this informative, and if you have any questions, comments, simply want to say hello, just leave it below. You know, I read it all and I always respond, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao. Ahoj.